From mechanics to excellent automation to produce more, a lot more quickly and flexibly, keep up with the changing demand and guarantee high productivity, the ability to evolve production, and the power to integrate with existing technology. Where should you begin? FlexiBowl is innovative automation and parts feeding systems. Its precise and reliable technology, fine-tuned through years of experience, feeds components and production systems without damaging them. Precision, high speed, and the ability to evolve are only a few of FlexiBowl's characteristics, especially compared to those of other systems. FlexiBowl can be delivered quickly all over the world. Its deployment is extremely flexible, as it can easily be integrated into production chains in various types of industries that already serves worldwide. FlexiBowl is compatible with all brands of robots. Free plugins are available to allow FlexiBowl to communicate with nearly all industrial robots, cobots, and PLCs. It is available in 5 customizable models to choose from without any doubts, thanks to a free and accurate feasibility test. It can process large amounts of components with precision and handle different shapes and sizes. With its intuitive and user-friendly software, FlexiBowl is easy to program and offers a great deal of autonomy to the operator, who can interact with the system in complete safety. FlexiBowl allows scalability and can be moved anywhere and can be easily equipped with additional options to keep up with the continuous changes of production. It can be equipped with quick emptying and edge diverter options, and it is also available in clean room versions. In addition to its great integration simplicity, we are available to deal with requests at every stage of the process, including design, installation, commissioning, and production. Our support is available through several channels, on-site or remotely. The bulk feeder doses components on the disk to increase the system's walkaway time. It is automatically controlled, and different tank volumes are available from 1.5 liters up to 40 liters to choose from, depending on the required walkaway time and the expected throughput. It is made of stainless steel and can be coated with plastic materials if needed. It can be equipped with a quick emptying door, hands protector, and a dosing gate. It can vibrate, which is ideal to precisely scatter components onto the disk. It can also be a conveyor hopper, which is more effective when treating components that need greater surface adhesion. As the need for autonomy component size increases, it is advisable to add the motorized hopper to give a greater system capacity. Disk surfaces are available in an extensive catalog that includes FDA-compliant versions. The surface can be quickly replaced in the event of maintenance or a change in production. It has been designed to prevent damage to components, eliminate any electrostatic charges, and achieve rapid component stabilization. The top light and backlight have been designed to facilitate the recognition of stabilized components in the various possible refraction conditions. Through a sophisticated disk loading control system, the vision system is in charge of the bulk feeder's loading actions. FlexiBowl is highly compatible with any third-party vision systems available in the market. Do you want to facilitate integration as much as possible? Choose FlexiVision, our vision system designed to improve optimum dynamic control of all FlexiBowl features. The sequence of actions underlying the operation has been strategically designed to reduce any possible idle times. The bulk feeder, instructed by the vision system, doses the components onto the disk, the diverter moves them away from the edges, and the flip separates and positions them. The vision system sends the parts coordinates to the robot for the picking. The system can work in standard, continuous, or multi-feed mode. In the standard default sequence, the buffer feeds components to the spinning disk, and the components are oriented to the desired picking position. It is ideal to achieve extreme picking accuracy. In FlexiBowl's continuous operation, FlexiTrack, the system moves at a constant speed during the picking, and it is ideal to increase throughput even further. The multi-feed mode allows up to 6 different types of components to be fed simultaneously using a single system. The layout is minimized as the investment and production costs.